Meaning of Disprin.
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 Disprin. Disprin is a brand of aspirin, which is a nonsteroidal anti-inflammatory drug, NSAID, used to relieve pain, reduce fever, and decrease inflammation. Aspirin works by blocking the production of certain chemicals in the body that cause pain, fever, and swelling. It is commonly used to treat headaches, toothaches, menstrual cramps, and minor aches and pains. Additionally, aspirin may also be used as a blood thinner to prevent heart attacks and strokes in people at high risk. However, it is important to use Disprin or any aspirin product only as directed and under the guidance of a healthcare professional.